If you're hunting for a powerhouse portable rig, the latest ASUS ROG Strix G16 reviews highlight why this machine captures attention. Navigating high-end tech can feel overwhelming, but this breakdown cuts through the noise to help you find your ideal setup. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. ASUS ROG Strix G16. Equipped with a powerful Intel Core i7-1460HX processor and an advanced NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU leveraging state-of-the-art Blackwell architecture, this gaming laptop delivers exceptional performance for intense AAA gaming and heavy multitasking. The inclusion of 16 GB of rapid DDR5 5600 MHz memory alongside a spacious 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD ensures lightning-fast load times and seamless app switching. Its vibrant 165Hz FHD Plus display benefits from a specialized anti-glare ACR film, rendering fast-paced visuals extraordinarily fluid, sharp, and comfortable to view during extended sessions. Thermal management is remarkably efficient, utilizing innovative tri-fan technology, an extensive end-to-end vapor chamber, and Thermal Grizzly Conductonaut Extreme Liquid Metal on the chipset to sustain peak clock speeds without excessive acoustic strain. While the chassis leans on the slightly heavier side for daily transit, its robust build quality, immersive full-surround 360-degree RGB light bar, and professional stealth mode make it an outstanding investment for serious gamers and creative professionals seeking dependable desktop-grade power on the move. Deep dive performance and architecture analysis. The engineering philosophy behind the ASUS ROG Strix G16 centers squarely on raw output and sustained thermal headroom. Running on the high-performance Intel HX series architecture, the processor utilizes a hybrid core arrangement that effortlessly splits processing loads between background tasks and foreground rendering sequences. When paired with the NVIDIA Blackwell-powered graphics chip, the notebook handles modern rasterization and advanced ray tracing pipelines smoothly, assisted by DLSS enhancements to optimize frame pacing in demanding environments. Multitasking feels instantaneous thanks to the high-bandwidth DDR5 modules. Users can seamlessly transition between resource-intensive production suites, active video feeds, and large game assets without bottlenecking system responsiveness. Furthermore, the modular nature of the internal memory layout allows for straightforward future upgrades if project requirements scale upward over time. Visual fidelity, ergonomics, and daily usability. The 16-inch panel utilizes a spacious 16:10 aspect ratio, granting extra vertical screen real estate that benefits both spreadsheet navigation and timeline scrubbing in video editors. The 165Hz refresh rate guarantees fluid motion tracking, minimizing judder during fast camera pans and competitive gaming titles. Input comfort is equally prioritized. The keyboard layout offers responsive key travel with defined tactile feedback, complemented by per-key customizable backlighting that syncs across compatible ROG ecosystem accessories. For office environments or classrooms, activating stealth mode immediately mutes all exterior illumination, transforming the aesthetic into a subtle, professional workstation. Thermal engineering and acoustic profile. Managing heat dissipation inside a compact chassis remains a primary challenge for high-performance laptops. ASUS addresses this constraint via its ROG Intelligent Cooling Framework. The implementation of a continuous vapor chamber alongside a triple fan layout ensures that heat generated by the CPU and GPU is rapidly wicked away from critical components. Liquid metal interface material applied directly to the silicon dies bridges microscopic imperfections, optimizing thermal transfer efficiency. Under heavy gaming workloads, fans will naturally ramp up to maintain safe operational thresholds, yet the acoustic profile avoids the high-pitched whine common in lesser implementations, producing a steady, white noise airflow that easily blends into background room ambience. Connectivity and future-proofing. Modern setups demand versatile input-output capabilities, and the Strix G16 accommodates this through a comprehensive port selection distributed along its flanks. High-speed data transfers are supported via Thunderbolt 4 and USB Type-C connections, featuring DisplayPort alt modes and power delivery options, allowing users to travel with smaller secondary chargers for basic productivity tasks. On the wireless front, integration with Wi-Fi 7 protocols ensures low-latency connectivity for online matchmaking and rapid cloud backups, provided local network hardware supports the standard. Hardwired networking enthusiasts also benefit from a physical 2.5G Ethernet jack for absolute stability during competitive matches.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.